Alright, so I've got this Oakley Hollow Point watch and it has stopped running. So I think it hopefully just needs a new battery. So today we're going to go ahead and change the battery in this, which is kind of a pain. Now, I'm not a watchmaker or a watch repair person, so a lot of this stuff I don't know the technical term, but if you're watching this video, then you probably aren't either, so we'll just go with that. So first thing we need to do to get access is we're going to take one side of the armband off, and this is just a 2.5 millimeter hex head. We'll take these little screws out. There's one on each side. Now when we flip it over, we have good access to the back side. So now we need to get the back case off. You can see it's got these little cutouts in it. You might be able to turn it by hand. If not, I'm just going to take a pair of snap ring pliers here, and I've just put some electrical tape on the tips here since I don't want to mar this up. But this is the only thing I have that really fits in these grooves here. So we'll just go ahead and pop that in and break it loose, and then at this point we should be able to just get it off by hand. Alright, so now that the cover is off, we need to go ahead and remove the battery. So we'll get zoomed in here. And the battery is right here, and it is held down by this little spring, which is held in by this really tiny screw. So we're going to have to go ahead and take this screw out. And as we do this, we want to make sure that we keep pressure on the spring, so that way it doesn't just fling off. And we'll pull that out. And then our battery will just come right out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put our new battery in, and it goes positive side up. If you ever forget, it's shown on the spring. This is a 399 battery, which is the same as a 395. So we'll go ahead and tuck our spring in here. And the screw is already in the spring, so we're just going to gently press down on that and get that tightened down. Alright, so that is in. Now we'll go ahead and just put our case back on. We'll just snug that up a little bit. And then we can go ahead and retighten our wristband. And then our battery is changed.